In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WordPress menu icons in WordPress, making your menu not only look more engaging but also function more effectively. By the end of this guide, you'll have the expertise to enhance your site's navigation with attractive icons. Let's dive right in. First, you want to make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. It's the central hub where you'll make most changes to your site. Once you're in, glance over to the left-hand menu and find Plugins. Hover over it and then click on Add New. Plugins are like handy tools that can add new features to your WordPress site without the need for coding. In the search bar that appears at the top right of the Add Plugins page, type Menu Icons by Themile. It's a popular choice for adding icons, and you'll see it pop up quite quickly. Click on the Install Now button, and WordPress will automatically download and install the plugin. After this, make sure to press Activate. Activating it makes everything you've installed usable on your site. With the plugin set up, you'll next want to navigate to the Appearance section on your dashboard's menu. Here, click on Menus, which is where your site's navigation items can be customized. If you have more than one menu, you'll notice an option to select which one you'd like to edit. Choose the one that fits your needs. On the menu structure page, you can add icons to the items that are listed here. You'll notice a small icon box next to the menu items once the plugin is activated. Click on this tiny icon to open up the icon library. This plugin provides a variety of icons, giving you the flexibility to choose what suits each menu item best. You might want a house icon for your home page, or perhaps a contact book for your contact page, whatever feels intuitive and visually appealing. When selecting an icon, you also have the option to adjust its position. The plugin allows for some customization, such as aligning the icon to the left or right of the menu text. After selecting your desired icons and positions, don't forget the crucial step of clicking the Save Menu button. It's vital to save your changes so the icons will appear on your live site. If you decide you want to swap out any icons, simply return to the menu customization page, adjust as needed, and always remember to save those changes afterward. By following these steps, you'll create a more user-friendly navigation experience, likely making your site not only easier to use but also more stylish. Now you have successfully added icons to your WordPress menu. This seemingly small addition can significantly enhance usability and visual appeal for your site visitors. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks.